This is Kedsum 3-in-1 folding hand truck, my go-to for anything heavy, awkward, or just plain annoying to carry. And today I'm going to show you why. It folds down flat, weighs just 90 pounds and opens up in seconds. No tools, no pins, just pull, click and you're good to go. The real magic: you can switch between a 6-wheel platform cart to a 2-wheel upright dolly in about 10 seconds. That's it. Total flexibility. One cart, multiple jobs. The handle adjusts too, from 45 to 135 degrees. So wherever you haul in boxes, equipment, or that giant water cooler that nobody else wants to lift, you can move it your way. 6 wheels, including 2 brakes and 2 big rubber ones, mean these things glide smoothly on almost any surface. No wobbles, no drama. And yes, it goes up carbs. With a weight limit up to 600 pounds, this dolly doesn't flinch. I've used it to move appliances, furniture, groceries, even big book boxes for a library project. When I'm done, it folds right down and slides under the bed, into the trunk or next to the washing machine. It takes up basically no space, which I love. I've used it at home, in the garden, at events, and even on site. Wherever it's heavy lifting or a casual run to the store, it makes my day easier. Period. So yeah, one cart, infinity uses, and trust me, once you use it, you never want to drag a heavy box the old way again.